Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be doing my studio room tour. I've been living here for over 4 months, it's almost going to be 5, and I actually move out on Monday and today is Saturday. So I'm doing this like right before I take everything down, unfortunately. But yeah, I love living in here. This is the studio that I rented out in La Défense in Puteaux in Paris, and it's been a great studio. Honestly, I pay about like almost 900 euros a month, which is kind of on the pricier side compared to some places my other friends lived, but it's so close to the school. It's a pretty new building. It's very modern. And you know, we have the fitness room, we have the common room, laundry, dryer, everything. It just sucks that you have to pay like 5 euros for laundry every time, but it is what it is. But yeah, it's been really nice. My room's kind of been the hangout during my study abroad. All my friends come here and we like make dinner and stuff, and it's nice because I have my own kitchen and everything, but also I get a view of the Eiffel Tower, which is really nice. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you notice is my orange door. Okay, so the first thing you notice when coming in was my orange door. And for us, whatever color the door is, that's the color of your bathroom. I'll show you that in a second. But anyway, so we come in and this is my little studio. I think it's 18 square meters. To the right, I have my closet, which I usually keep my suitcases in here, but I took them out since I have to start packing today. But yeah, I had to provide myself with all the hangers and then just like 2 rows. I'm doing laundry right now, so I have a lot more clothes to pack than that. But yep. And there's like more stuff on this side. And what also comes, this cleaning supplies right there. So, and a mop. But let's go into this orange bathroom. Also, before the orange bathroom is this like you can beep people in. So when my friends type in my room number 2057, their face comes up and then I can talk to them and then I can open the door from them. And then this is just the keypad system. So here, 2 light switches, 4, and then 1 outlet. So this is my orange bathroom. Yes, it really is this bright. Over here I just keep, you know, what I use to shower, and then the shower is literally right here, and then the toilet is right there. And then, oh look, it's me. Yeah, so I don't really do my makeup in here or anything, but toothbrush, I didn't really clean everything, but this is like my travel stuff because I just got back from Austria, and then, you know, hair stuff. And then on the bottom, I just have my towel, and then those are a bunch of pills, like Advil and such. But yeah, so, and then you always have like 2 flush systems, and then this you bring down for when you're taking a shower. But yep. Okay, and I have my little mat that I got. So yeah, now this over here is my desk area. Up here I kind of do all my mementos and stuff, pictures and cards that my family has like given me and stuff, or some that I brought as well. And then I also have over here are pictures from home, like friends from home. I didn't really put too much up, but those are some that I brought. And then I bought this mirror from Auchan. And this desk is pretty big. It's really nice. It's not 100% clean, but you know. So I have, of course, a baguette here, change. And then these are all my papers and stuff from school, and all my memories too, because I keep everything because I'm a hoarder. And then I have this mirror that my friend Agata gave me. Shout out to her when she left. And this candle that I've been loving. It says, let me see. It's like, I'm not going to focus. A very Merry Christmas. It smells so good. And some of my sprays, and then 2 outlets right there. One for my computer and one for my Christmas tree, which I totally spent money on even though it's not coming home, but I figured it's what I want. And I got this dog because I want a Bernese Mountain Dog. I got it when I was in Switzerland, and I thought I would just use it as a tree topper. But yeah, so on the left side though, this is my kitchen area. It's very cute and it does the job pretty well. So up here I have microwave. These pots and pans all came with it, which is really nice. The only thing I bought was a smaller pan because they only had the big one. And yeah, sometimes you just need a smaller one. And then I have this cookie up here that my friend Katya gave me before she left from Germany. And then, ooh, up here is all like dishes and stuff that I kept, and I bought this Christmas cup, Christmas glass. Okay, and then over here is the refrigerator. I have some of my magnets on there. There's literally almost nothing in here, literally, because I am leaving in 2 days, so I'm just making pasta. And then in here, I have dustpan, this, and then this is like garbage. So that's really nice. Then my sad suitcases. To the right is our little eating area. I would like make food for my friends and everything. And I did have like Christmas lights and a countdown going on that I bought. And I also have all these stickers, which are easy to take off, which is good. And then up here, more mementos and pictures. I got this little Christmas tree. Hold on. Glass Christmas tree from Burano in Venice. And then I also have this little globe thing because I won from my school Most Traveler. And then my Mickey ears. And yeah, up there is my tripod. I got this from Prague, a little reindeer tree, and then a nutcracker. But yes, so that's this. I have my 2 suitcases that I have to pack everything in, plus a book bag, but I may have to just grab another suitcase, I'm not sure yet. And then I had my advent calendar and more stickers, and Chip and Dale, oh, so cute. I went to Disneyland Paris 3 times. But yeah, and more of this, and then this is some artwork that I bought when I was in Rome. And then on the sill I also have all of my keychains that I collect, because I do collect keychains. And then to the left is my picture wall, something that I'm very proud of that I did. My friends loved to like look at it, and it made me happy that they were happy looking at it, and all the memories that I've had on this study abroad. It's crazy, and I'm so sad to take it down. And then I have my bed, which is a full bed. I did have to get the blankets, and I had to get like this kind of comforter thing, which I sleep on because it's kind of hard. But yeah, I did a bare minimum here, and then the only pillows that came with were these 2, so I had to buy these ones because comfort, you know. And then I have my little Ewok. Yeah, it's a mama Ewok, so cute. My laptop and some more plugs right near the bed. The other thing that's really nice about this place is also that it has like underneath storage. So like in here I put like gym clothes, even though I don't really go to the gym here, and like comfort clothes, and my technology stuff. In here is like my Hot Tools and some t-shirts. Let's see. And then these last 2 just have like shoes. Oh, sorry, you can't really see that, but yeah, it's just shoes. But yeah. So the other thing I forgot to show you, on the right next to where my closet is, I also have this kind of hidden door, and in here I keep all the food that I'm gonna eat for the next week, and like more food and like cleaning supplies and laundry detergent, and also all my bags that I have accumulated, and also my air mattress that I do have to give away. But yep, so these bags I use for groceries, and I'm gonna use them for packing soon today. But yeah, so that's that. So that is my room tour, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, it's so sad that I'm leaving this place so soon, but you know, it's time to go back to the States and finish my last semester at FDU. Woo! But yeah, so hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.